We know how frustrating finding a reputable tradesman and making all the arrangements can be. Now there is a live and local home repair referral network just for you that will take care of it all. With one call or service request form, Hocoa matches up the best contractor for all your home repairs, maintenance, or improvements. The contractor calls you to schedule an appointment. Upon completion, contractors do their own billing and we follow up to ensure satisfaction. How do we get paid? Yes, we have a small annual fee, but then we pre-screen everyone, make sure they are insured, licensed, you get the best guy for the job, and they show up. Isn't a AAA type service for your home your largest investment worth it? You betcha! We even provide discounts from major retailers on appliances, flooring, and more. You actually spend money to save money while getting the best professional service. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website, sign up, make contact with our local office.